All right, guys, welcome back. 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Outside of the vehicle, let's come around. Beautiful granite crystal metallic. This vehicle looks brand new. It's got 9,700 kilometers on it, and it's got all the bells and whistles. If we come around to the back, the novelty item, the Eco Diesel V6 in this vehicle. Fantastic torque, fantastic power, just a great all-around package, okay? Why don't we pop into the inside so I can show you what's going on in there. All right, guys, back inside this lovely 21 Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Guys, all the bells and whistles on the inside. As you can see, full leather with the red embossed stitch, Rubicon seats, heated wheels, so you got that cold weather group. Advanced safety group, we've got our adaptive cruise control, our blind spot monitors, our parking sensors. To go on top of that, guys, beautiful, beautiful finish on the inside. Your front and rear locking diffs, all of your auxiliary features there as well, okay? Dimming rear view mirrors as well as side mirrors. And in the back, it's all about the same. Guys, if you have any questions about this vehicle, or if you'd like to book an appointment, please call me, Anton, here at St.Albert Dodge, 780-952-4472. Thanks.